this is help with the Chapter 8 POL question number 3. The goal is to multiply, but really it's more like a simplified question. So I want to kind of factor things out and then cancel out what's common. 4a to the 5th is like 4 with 5 a's right there. And then we have 7b to the 4th, so 4b's right there. And I'm multiplying that with 2b squared, so b squared is just b times b. And then 2 and then a to the 4th is 4a's. Right, so I do this because then in my head I can now cancel stuff out. So like these twos cancel, and then that b and that b, another b and another b, and then there's 4a's. So I can cancel out 4 here and 4 here. Okay, and so my answer is just sort of what are we left with. So up top, there's just a 4 and an a. This is now just like a 1 up here. And then the other one, we have a 7 in the denominator and 2 b's left, so that's going to be b squared. So our answer is 4 times a over b squared. Right, we sort of have 2 more b's in the denominator and 1 more a in the numerator. And then we got the 4 and the 7 that don't cancel. All right, that's it. Hopefully that helps.